The concept of building green is not a new one. In fact, it's been around for more than 20 years. As of 2016, nearly 75,000 commercial projects were certified green across the globe, with 1.85 million square feet of building space receiving new certification every day. As a sustainability consultant, Dr. Jennifer Languel has helped clients from across the country identify their sustainability goals. She is considered a leader in green building in the state of Florida.
When I look at green building, I look at it as a process of making an informed decision. So before, we didn't know how to build things more efficiently. We didn't necessarily have the technology or the advanced equipment to give us the performance we can now. We've been educated as to how to do things better, and we know we can do things better for our environment.
One of the benefits of reducing your environmental impact with a green building is long-term sustainability. Languel says a lot of people get those terms confused.
Sustainability and green tend to be used interchangeably, but they have distinctly different meanings. Green is looking at the environment and are we saving energy? Are we saving water? Are we using resources efficiently? So it tends to be just the environmental bubble, so to speak, with respect to green. When we talk about sustainability, we talk about a much broader picture, and it's a balance of the environment, economics, and the community or social components. So ultimately, we won't have sustainability until we balance economics with society, with environment. But right now, economics is driving the train. There is a sense of reassurance that it's going to be a quality structure when we hear that a structure is going to be certified green. The challenge with that is green doesn't always equal energy efficiency. Green doesn't equal water efficiency. Green doesn't equal any one thing. So how you achieve that certification can vary from project to project. So without understanding the goals of the owner or the goals of the building, you can't be sure what it is exactly that they're doing to achieve green. So if it's corporate culture and it is in their inherent values, usually they're looking for a return on investment. They do understand the value of building green and preserving our environment, but they also understand the importance of having a return on their investment. And as much as we'd like to think that everyone is making a right decision because of the environment and or society, the bottom line is I have to understand cost benefit. I have to understand return on investment, because if I don't, I'll be out of business. And if my clients don't, they'll be out of business. So no one will be building green, and that's not beneficial for anyone. When you hear someone has committed to build a green building, to me it is almost a bit of a sigh of relief to know that there's going to be a third party watching what the architect and contractors do, and they're looking out for the future of this building and the performance of this building. We want a high performance building, and we don't always get that with just an architect and just a contractor. We see a lot of investors saying we want our portfolio of investments to be assets. And we also see finance partners requiring that their projects have a green component to them. Do they know exactly what that means? Usually not necessarily. They pick a certification program, and that's the value of the certification programs, is that the corporate culture, they're not subject matter experts in green building. But the programs that the U.S. Green Building Council, that Florida Green Building Coalition have come and created help these companies achieve their mission.